my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure in the kitchen. Today I'm making cuzzy cakes in a cup, but first I must wash my hands. Okay, first we're gonna need 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and finally, some lollies. Yay! And now we mix it all together. Ah! Awesome! And then I'm gonna cook it all up in a cup. And then we put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And now we just gotta wait 2 minutes. Chicka, 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 Buzz the Cuz. Cooking with love, cooking up a storm, cuzzy cakes in a cup. Oil, flour, and vanilla essence, water, sugar, cocoa, get the message? Put it in a microwave, cook for 2 minutes. Oh, then I eat it when it's finished. Check it out! It's the cuzzy cake in the cup. Here, reka tēnei. Kia tūpato cuzzies, he tino wera tēnei. Make sure you use a cloth because it's very, very hot. But smell this. Oh, Tama is gonna love this! Ka kite koutou!